Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Easter Sugar Melon and grow a garden. So first, you need to know that this sugar melon is an exclusive crop from the Easter event, and it can only be planted into your Easter garden, and you won't be able to grow it anywhere else. And now, how do you get it? It's actually pretty simple. Just head over to the Easter event shop like this, and then next just scroll down until you find the Easter Sugar Melon. This one, you can see it. You can buy it in here using your choco coins, but make sure you have enough before purchasing. And once you have got this seed, just go back to your garden and then just plant it like a normal crop like this, and then just wait for it to grow, and after some times it will finally bear fruit like this, and you will get this cute pink sugar melon like this. You can see it, it's so cute. The melon is so cute, it has a pink color like this. And and if you decide to sell it, its sugar melon is worth around 100 plus coins plus choco coins, and which makes it pretty decent for farming during this event. So yeah, that's how you can unlock and grow the Easter Sugar Melon. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!